Welcome to the AI SaaS agency revolution. This is where you will be building your own automated software business without coding skills and be creating true financial freedom with recurring monthly revenue. So, have you ever felt like you're working too hard, chasing too many clients, or stuck selling your time instead of building something scalable? You have probably explored freelancing, social media marketing, maybe even digital products. But they all come with a one big problem. And that big problem is that it depends on you. If you stop working, if a client ghosts you, if a platform changes its algorithm, your income takes a hit. And that's not freedom. That's a fragile business. And that's exactly where I was a couple of years back. It felt like I was selling my time. If I worked, the revenue came in. If I stopped working, the revenue stopped coming in. And I was the salesperson, I was the operations guy, I was taking care of my team, I was doing it all without being able to really scale my revenue. Well, now imagine this instead. You own a software business that runs 24 by 7. You don't need to code, you don't need a team. You use Go High Level, a powerful AI powered platform that you can rebrand and resell as your own software. You package done for you automation tools like review systems, lead generation, chatbots, WhatsApp flows, and sell them to restaurants, real estate agents, coaches, salons every month on autopilot. And clients, they pay you $297, $497, even $997 per month. And you don't lift a finger after onboarding. And this is what we call an AI SaaS agency. And in this course, I'm going to show you how you can build it step by step. Even if you have never built a business before, you don't know how to code, I don't know how to code. You don't have any clients, well, I didn't have any client. Because with the right roadmap, you don't need all that. So, this is not a theory course. This is a business building accelerator, broken down into 8 simple modules using my Made Easy framework. So let me give you a sneak peek of how we are going to do this. The Made Easy framework that starts with market clarity, moves on to agency setup, demand creation, engaging clients, easy delivery, automate for scale, smart selling, and your next level. We'll talk about everything: hiring, adding micro niches, building an affiliate army, and how to hit your first $10,000 per month milestone. Every module includes tools, templates, checklists, and examples so you can implement and not just learn. By the end of this course, you won't just understand AI SaaS. You will have your very own branded software business up and running. You'll have your first offer, your first funnel, and a strategy to get your first few clients. You'll be able to fulfill with zero tech stress, and most importantly, you will be building monthly recurring income instead of one-off projects. So here is what I want you to do right now. Set your intention. Think about your income goal. $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month, whatever freedom looks like to you. Because this course is the roadmap, but you are the driver. Welcome to the AI SaaS agency revolution, and let's get to work.